Hi, my name is Daniel Rogers, and this is my personal goals video. A little bit about myself. Some of my favorite hobbies are fly fishing. I try to go at least a couple times a year. I'm into every sport there is, basically, and I'm a huge fan of Kansas City teams such as the Chiefs and the Royals. I love music. I play guitar a little bit, not great at it, but I really enjoy it. I'm a huge dog lover. The picture of that black dog right there is my boxer. His name is Mac. I just love to be outdoors, so anything outdoors, and I'm there. And the last thing about me is that I'm going to be a first time dad here in January. I'm really, really excited about that. My educational background, I was born and raised in Dodge City, Kansas. I went to elementary, middle, and high school here. Graduated from Dodge City High School. Went to play baseball at Dodge City Community College. Went there for 1 year. Transferred to Fort Hays State University, where I also played baseball. And I went there for 2 years. My father passed away, and I ended up dropping out of school and moving back home for a couple years to be with my mom. While I was here, I worked as a substitute teacher, as well as a coach and a timeout supervisor, and that's where I really figured out what I wanted to do. So after 2 years of that, I went back to school and finished at Wichita State University, and I graduated in 2008 with a Bachelor of Science in Physical Education. I began teaching at Ross Elementary in 2009, right after I graduated, and I've been there ever since. So obviously I really enjoy it there. Like the students, I love the principal, so it's just a great place for me. This was my 11th year as the PE and health teacher, and I've coached pretty much every sport you can imagine here in Dodge City, including I was the head baseball coach for 6 years. My personal goals, in the next 5 years, I definitely want to finish my master's degree, and actually that would be within the next year and a half is when I want to have that done. I just want to be a good dad and raise my baby with love and guidance, and I hope to be debt free, except for my mortgage, hopefully within the next year or two. In the next 6 to 10 years, I just want to have a good, healthy child who's independent and is a good person. Possibly expand my family and maybe have another kid. And then I want to be debt free, which is including the mortgage at that point. Beyond 10 years, I just want to raise my child or my children well and send them off to college and hopefully have saved enough money to where I can help them get through college. And I want to work until I physically or mentally can't or don't want to anymore. I'm the type of person who enjoys work and enjoys having a routine. So I want to continue to work as long as I possibly can. Professional goals, in the next 5 years, I want to continue to learn as much as I can about educational leadership. And considering I'm a PE teacher, I want to learn more and more about classroom teachers and the help that they need to reach their goals. I want to become more involved with school committees. I have served on several of them, but I would still like to get involved in a few more just to become more well-rounded. And hopefully I would like to obtain a job as an assistant principal, preferably at the middle school level. In the next 6 to 10 years, I want to be comfortable with the leadership role and expand on my duties. I would eventually like to become a middle school athletic director as well as an assistant principal. And I want to eventually become a mentor for future school leaders. And beyond the 10 years, I would like to obtain a building principal, a head principal position, continue to learn from past and current school leaders, because for me the most important thing is just to continue to learn and never be satisfied with where you're at. And again, I would like to continue to mentor future school leaders and help them any way I possibly can. The reasons why I chose Fort Hays State is familiarity. Again, I had went there for undergrad school, and I just felt comfortable with it. It is very cost effective, comparatively speaking, to other universities, and it has a good reputation for. I know a lot of people that have gotten their educational leadership degree from Fort Hays. And my expectations coming into the program were to gain the knowledge necessary to be a building leader, to learn from our professors as well as other students, and just continue to gain knowledge that I can from everyone that I'm coming across, just to make me, better, more well-rounded. And hopefully my last expectation is to be able to pass the school leadership exam when I'm done with the program. Thanks for watching.